Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Are you fine? Fantastic. Okay, so today, boys and girls, is day number 2. Okay, so it's Monday, Tuesday. Fantastic. Today is Tuesday. Okay, so what do we do on Tuesdays? We do literacy. Well done. Tuesday is our literacy day. And today our sound is going to be ooh. Okay, so we make this form with our mouth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well done. Now one letter, one O, like this, is O. Okay, but when we have lots together, it's ooh, ooh. Fantastic. Now who can tell me, is there an animal that makes that sound? Ooh, ooh, ooh. An owl. Boys and girls, this is an owl. Fantastic. Can you say owl? Owl. Wonderful. And the owl likes to say ooh, 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 just like our sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fantastic. Ooh. That's wonderful, boys and girls. Ooh. And our owl, who says ooh. For our activity today, boys and girls, we need green, we need red, we need purple, orange, blue, and any other color that you want. Okay? So first, we're going to take our green. Okay? We're going to draw a green circle here on the top of the page. Then we take red and we draw a red dot on top. Okay? Then we take purple, first with our finger, and we go from green all the way around in the anti-clockwise, all the way up to red, and we say ooh, ooh, ooh. Fantastic. Let's take our purple crayon and say ooh. Fantastic. Ooh. That is wonderful. Okay, so this is our ooh. Wonderful, boys and girls. And do you know what we can do with this circle? We can make an owl. We can make our own owl that says ooh, ooh, ooh. Fantastic. So let's first do his eyes. Okay, so you can see. And owls have big, big, big eyes. Okay, so get our blue. Our owl is going to have big blue eyes. Oh, look at that. Big blue eyes. They're a little wobbly, but that's okay. Wonderful. Then we're going to get his beak. Okay, his beak. We're going to draw a triangle like this. Wonderful. Now he kind of looks like an owl. Then let's draw some feathers on his tummy. Okay, so here is his So we have his eyes, his nose, and his feathers. What else does he need? What does an owl need? To fly. He needs his wings. Well done. Okay, so let's go and draw his big wings. Well done. We forgot his feet. He needs feet too. Orange feet. And that is our owl. Well done. And what does our owl say? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fantastic. Well done, boys and girls. That was really wonderful. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, darlings, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Okay, darlings. Mwah. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, darlings.